Hey sisters! Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do some cute beachy waves, which is something I get asked quite a bit, so figured I would give you some tips and tricks. Hopefully this helps someone out there. Okay, so my hair has a little bit of like dry shampoo in it, otherwise nothing too crazy. Okay, I think something that's really important is taking small sections. It sounds like you're going to be there all day, but I promise it makes it go faster. Like, otherwise you're having to hold your curling iron on that hair for so long if you're taking big, thick sections. So, I also really like this product. It's just Biolage. It's Thermal Active Spray. I've used it for like 15 years, and it's like my tried and true go-to. So
how much do you sell it for?
1 million. Okay, so just get your section and then kind of lightly spray the entire thing. This is a 1 1/4 inch curling iron. And then start at the root, curl, and then if your hair is like super long, you can, I'll show you if you have like super thick or super long hair, you start at the root and then you pull it out and then keep curling. Like that. So kind of twist it. And then something else is if your hair like doesn't hold the curl very well, okay, so if your hair doesn't hold curl very well, some things that will help is this product. And then once you curl your hair, it's like kind of way too tight, ugly ringlet, but like leave it in your hair until it's cool and then run your fingers through it. Also, if your hair feels like super heavy and doesn't hold curl well, it's probably your shampoo, conditioner, product buildup. So just make sure that you're using like good products, or your hair's probably like coated and not gonna hold any curl. Okay. Now, these two front pieces, we call them money piece. Those are the most important pieces. So you just want to make sure your curling iron, like, is that parallel to your head?
Oh.
So grab it and then kind of pull it down to kind of like accentuate your face. So this will come down a little more. Just know that like your curl is going to fall down the strand, so like curl it up high and then it will come lower. Does that make sense? Yeah, it does.
But who calls it the money piece?
Everyone in the biz. Okay, also I usually do like on my sides, like I pretty much do it all away from my face. Think like going back, Hollywood, going forward, 1991. Okay.
Oh, it's gonna get burned.
We have a cord situation. I will say, if you like want to make it look like you have extra hair, sometimes I do this piece like behind the first piece, forward. I feel like that just like helps. I didn't do on the other side, but we're just gonna roll with it and then see how it goes. I saw there was like a hair class, and the guy teaching it said he did curling contour, which I don't really buy into, but whatever. But he's like, if you have the hair go here, it's gonna frame your eye. If you have it go back, then it like makes your cheekbones look higher, and then come down, it hides your neck. I'm like, okay, I don't know. I don't know if I believe that, but it was fun to listen to. So curl at the root. I like to leave my ends out because I want it to look more beachy.
Can you say that in a church video?
If I'm like professionally doing the back of someone else's head, then I will alternate curls in the back every other. Okay, so hold it kind of parallel to your head, drag it down. Did I get all the back?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so now it's still like way too tight for me. So also I wasn't blessed with a thick head of hair, so I like to add texture spray and then kind of mess it up with my fingers so it looks a little more full and a little more beachy, effortless. I can kind of see that one side, how it has like a little more bend here than this side. It was that second piece that we did forward, so maybe I do love that. Okay, well that was my beachy curl tutorial. Hope you loved it. Love you ladies. Mwah.